You've got a great healthcare business idea. You know how to do it. You have the skills to do it. You believe in yourself to do it. Now, do you have the money to get it done? In fact, do you have the money to pay for the legal? A lot of the times people will come to us and say, "Oh my gosh, I love you guys. I really want to work with you guys. I don't know if I can pay to work with you guys." And I'll say, "Yes, you can." And we want to help you do that. Now, affording the legal services for most law firms can be pricey, but I say to my clients, don't be discouraged. What you're trying to do is an amazing thing. You're trying to offer great care to patients in need, but at the same time, we got to make sure that it's done right. And in order to do that, you're going to have to do what every other person does when they want to get something that they really want. They don't plop down and buy a house, right? You want to buy a house, you're not taking out $300,000 in your savings to buy a house. When you want to buy a car, you don't just write a check for $40,000. Most people, when they're trying to get their stuff done for their legal, they finance it. I know that sounds weird and strange, but if you know what you're trying to do is going to take some time and it's going to require some paperwork, you're going to probably need to come up with a way to get the funds to do that. And a lot of people find success financing. Now, we offer our clients some support with that, but we also tell our clients to be creative. We've had many clients borrow from friends or family members to get a business idea off the ground. And you've heard that too. It's not just with us, but it's just in normal business. People borrow from friends and family to get their legal done because it's important to them. If you know that your business is going to make money, you believe it's going to make money, then it's not a stretch to say, "Hey, mom, dad, can you help me invest so that I can get this off the ground?" Or they use credit cards, or they take out a loan. It's how can we solve the problem in a way that makes sense for you? Just like you do with everything else. When you went to school, you took out a loan because you didn't spend 80,000 that you spent on nursing school came out from one check. You probably financed that as well. It's something similar. Now, I'm not saying this is going to be $80,000. I don't know what it's going to be, but depending on what you need will really depend on how expensive your legal services are. And that's for any law firm. And it's very hard sometimes to determine if it's something that's a little bit more tenuous, but if it's something straightforward, they might be able to give you an estimate. And from that, you should be able to figure out your budgeting. But don't get discouraged because you're hearing something that you're like, "Oh my gosh, I don't have that in the bank right now." The question is, how much do you want to solve that problem? Can the person you're speaking to solve that problem? And can you get the money to solve the problem? Right? It's not, "Let me not do it." Because sometimes that's what people say, I'm just not going to do that anymore. Or I'm just not going to believe in myself anymore. No, you didn't say that when you got your degree. You didn't say, "I'm just not going to get my degree. Or I'm not going to just get my car. Or I'm not going to get my house." You said, "Well, I really want to get this done. This is really important to me. So now I need to find the means to get this done because it matters." And if you are like the successful people that we deal with, where things matter to them, they want to be successful and they want to do things correctly, then we're here to help you do that. Look, we want to get creative with you as long as you got some skin in the game to get it done. We're here to help. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye. If you found value in this video, you'll find more value with meeting with us and our team to help you strategize your legal complex issue and resolve your issue. Reach out to us at dorismeet.com.